Welcome back to my channel, Me Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter M. First we will start with capital letter M. For writing capital letter M, first you must write a standing line. Then a left standing line. Then a right standing line. Then a standing line. This is capital letter M. Now let's write one more time. A standing line, a left slanting line, a right slanting line, and a standing line. This is a capital letter M. I will show it one more time. One standing line, one left slanting line, one right slanting line, and standing line. This is capital letter M. Now we will learn how to write small letter M. First we will standing line, then one downward curve, one more downward curve. This is small m. First you must write a standing line, then one downward curve, one more downward curve. This is small m. Now I will show it one more time. First you must write a standing line, one downward curve and one more downward curve. This is small m. Now we will write two letters together. First we will write capital letter M. Now we will write small letter m. Now I will show you some pictures that start with letter M. M for monkey. M for mango. M for matches. Now I will show you the sign of M. Now I will teach you the sound of M. 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 Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you next video. So bye.